Yo, what's up, guys? My name's Cofresi. We're here at Knox Studios, and we're here to talk about my live setup. So a lot of people at shows ask me, like, what are you doing up here? How's this work? What are you using? And let's talk about it. So the setup's basically broken up into three components. We have a left side, which is an acoustic focus side. I have my right side, which is a hybrid digital and acoustic side. And then I have the center, which is the brains of the setup. And we have the Ableton Push and the Scarlett Focusrite 18i8. And on the left side, if you look at the drums, I have a brand new Pearl M80 snare drum. Got the little side timbale by LP. We got 13-inch K custom top. We actually have an A custom bottom on the hi-hats. Over here, we got a magic little splash, nice little Sabian. We got the bigger ozone splash right here, the 16 on the left. We got the two choppers, little 10 here, little 12 right there. And then on the final side, we got that other Sabian HHX for that different tone. And then we have an LP shaker, and that's the acoustic aspects. And then moving into digital, I have a Yamaha DTX Multi 12. Got different drum sounds on that. And then back to this, we basically have the Ableton Push and the interface running everything else. So to talk about sounds, basically the snare drum is a higher pitched tone drum. It kind of cuts through the mix. You can kind of hear a little bit. Kind of has that nice little snap to it. The timbale on the left. Little timbale right there. I'm not gonna hit the cymbals because you know what those do, but we got cymbals. And then moving into the drums, what I do, people ask, do you sync up your Ableton drums with your drum pad? And no, what I do is I actually have the drum brain working itself, completely by itself independently, links into the interface, which then all the audio from the computer goes to the interface as well, and then that shoots out to the board. So it kind of works like that. And speaking of the drums on the digital side, I basically kind of try to complete a full kit. So, you know, you have the snare drum and hi-hat here, and then what I've done is I've created 3 toms, hi-hat tone, additional trap hat, open trap on left and right, and then we have snare, thicker snare, clap, and additional kind of hi-hat right there. So that's that part. And moving into the centerpiece, what I do, it's kind of a mix, you know, I'll be running tracks, so I can basically press play and run a track. I have different samples I load up into different banks that are in push. So like, for example, we have here. That's okay, that's okay, that's okay. For example, but at the same time I have drums, so. And the way I do that is actually left and right. People always wonder how you do in the drums. So I double them up, even with the hi-hats. Kind of mix it up, so you have different pieces put together. I can also switch my kits up and have different sounds. So I kind of do it with that little kind of piece running. So anyway, that's running into Ableton, that's all happening, and at the same time you can put it all together without hitting the real drums, you can kind of get it going. Yeah, that's basically my setup, so hope you guys enjoyed it, and have a great day. Take care.